Hi, welcome to Creating with Miss Dobis. Today we're going to draw some very simple birds, and then we're going to choose how we're going to color them for emphasis, the art principle of creating a focal point. All right, for this drawing you're going to need a marker or pencil and a piece of paper. I'm going to start with two lines that are vertical but kind of on an angle, not necessarily touching. I'm going to add three little horizontal lines for their feet. You can use ovals if you want. And just a little smile or curve on the top of those lines. I'm going to fashion that to be kind of like a bird's body. So I'm going to kind of make a little hill that comes around to the smile. Add my donut eye. A little wing. Gotta have a wing if you're a bird. And I'm gonna add a little triangle to the side, a little sideways V for the beak. So that's our first bird. I'm gonna repeat this several times till I get to the end of the paper. So we have a row of them, like they're walking in a line. I'm gonna vary the sizes. Some are gonna be short, some are gonna be tall, some are gonna be longer, some are gonna be not as long. So each bird is going to have their own personality, just like we all have our own personalities. Now go ahead and add your background. A horizon line, you can add hills if you want, maybe a sun and some clouds if you want. So go ahead and work on your background. So the art principle of emphasis or focal point is really about where you want to draw the attention of your viewer. What do you think is important that you would like them to concentrate on and to think about? And it's about bringing their eyes to that place. So while you're drawing, think about where you want your viewer to pay attention in your artwork. Let your viewer know what the most important part is. By leaving some things uncolored, you can create emphasis. In this picture of the birds, only the little baby bird is colored in, so the attention is drawn to that one little bird. He's the most important. However, in this picture, the baby bird is the one that isn't colored, so again, he's the most important. He stands out against the rest. I hope this video helped you understand emphasis and that you like your birds. And I just want to say thank you for creating with me today.